Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, let's see if after pandemic, what we have seen, the price was continuously moving upside, as we have seen in gold also. After that, the price of silver was moving in a range. As soon as it break out the range, we have seen a downfall. This is the period where I have told you that there can be chances of it can move further low. Okay, it has made a low of around $17.5. After that, it moved upside. Again, it was in this zone. Okay, till now we have not seen this level has come. Okay, not even what we have seen at this particular level of around $30. It has tried to go upside, but because of the war situation we have seen, okay, in the Ukraine war as well as this Israel war, that is where the price started fluctuating more. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. See, overall trend, if you look at from May 2023, there is a continuous downfall we have seen, but so much of volatility we have not seen in the price. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, for this particular week there is a continuous upside which we have seen in gold also, and this particular, so chances will be high because it has already moved out of a weekly zone out. So chances can be high that we can see a further upside movement. Okay, it has already made a low of around $21.874, and after that it has on a high of a weekly high, okay, at a level of 23.649, and chances can be high it can move further upside. Okay, because there is a probability that it is breaking a particular trend. So what we can see looking at this particular chart, if the price sustain this level, okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, a probability of going towards a level of 23.820 is there. Okay, and if started going above that particular level, a further high we can see, and it can touch a level of around $24. Okay, this $24 is already being tested, so chances are high that we can see it will go further upside, and a probability of touching a level of 24.420 is there. Okay, and this 24.420 is already being a weak resistance because it is on this particular zone and already being tested. So chances are high that we can see it will go further upside, and a probability of going further high we can see towards a level of around $24.876. Okay, and once started going above that level, we will see a monthly breakout. Okay, so chances will be high that it will go further high because there is a probability, and then the trend will change towards an upside. Okay, and then there is a pattern is also forming, so chances will be higher that we can see it will cross a level of around $25, and it can touch a level of around $25.665. Okay, now once the price started moving above a level of $25.665, then we can see it will touch a level of around 26, which is already being a weak resistance. So chances are high that it will go further upside. Again I repeat, it has already been on the upside movement. Chances will be high that it can cross a level of around September high because it has moved out of that particular zone. So a probability of crossing a level of 24.247 will be there, and from there a level of 25. As soon as starts sustaining above $25, chances will be high that it will cross a level of around $25.393, and from there a level of around 26. This 26 is already being tested, so chances will be high we can see a further upside movement, and a probability of touching a level of $26.687 is there. 26.687 is a half this zone, so chances will be high that we can see a further upside movement in the price of silver. Now, as I've already explained you that the price of silver was moving in a zone for quite some time. When a zone breakout happens, that is where we have seen a good movement in the price of silver, upside as well as downside. But as I've already explained you that market is always uncertain, so you have to remember, see, suppose the volatility is higher, try to reduce your quantity to half, increase your SL and target by twice. It will save your profit. Okay, as well as the target can be hit most of the time rather than hitting your SL. Chances are high. Okay, and other thing is that always set your SL. It will save your capital also, and always trail your SL. It will save your profit also. Okay, it will help you in the long run. And now if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can go towards its next support coming at a level of around $23.318. Okay, and if the price started falling below that particular level, we can see it will touch a level of $23.153. Okay. Now once the price started falling below these two supports, chances are high that it will go below a level of 23 and can touch a level of $22.685, and once started going below that level, a further fall we can see towards $22.180. Okay, and once started coming in this particular zone, then the price of again silver move in this zone, and a probability of going towards a level of 21.827 is there, and from there a further fall we can see towards 21.443. okay, and then there is a breakout will happen after a month, so chances will be high we can see a further fall that will go below a level of 21 and can touch a level of $20.678, and then if the price started moving below that level, a further fall we can see. Okay, because there will be a clear pattern forming. Okay, and so once started going below a level of $20.692, a further fall we can see, and then it will go below a level of $20 and then a further downfall. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.